Hi! In this video, I'd like to explain to you in this short video the use of the Kanban board to manage tasks. Learn what a Kanban board is, how it works, and how to use it in SpinOffice. Kanban is a Japanese word for visual board. It is a method to display tasks in a visually organized way. It provides insight into the status of your tasks, making it easier to organize and schedule work. Drag tasks from column to adjust the status, aiming to complete all tasks. In SpinOffice, the screen is divided into 4 columns: tasks without date, upcoming, current, and finished tasks. Also here, please, drag tasks from column to adjust the status, so from upcoming to current tasks or to finish. So all your outstanding tasks are listed under current tasks. Each user has a Kanban board that displays all of their tasks. Link tasks to your contacts, because all tasks you create for a contact will of course be shown in your Kanban board. Give tasks the priority and activity you want, and convert an email into a task. This way, you can immediately link an action to an incoming message. That's it for now. Experience the benefits of the Kanban board in SpinOffice for yourself. Do you want to learn more? Please visit our support center for more videos. Thanks for watching.